You guys want to hold a brain here? Pretty heavy, right? Pretty squishy. And our brains weigh anywhere from like 3 to 5 pounds, so that's why we want to be really safe when we protect them.
Science outreach is important for us. We want the next generation of people to be as excited about science and discovery about medicine as we are.
Being a scientist is cool. I learn about stuff that I don't know.
Here, let me check and make sure that we are in focus so that everyone can see the same thing. You know, these little worms have brains, just like you and me, but they're not quite as big, are they?
What you're seeing behind you is called Neurosphere. It's an immersive voyage into the brain. You sit inside a planetarium-style dome and see these images and experience.
And we're going to look at the structure of the brain.
Why this science is not only fun and exciting, but also beautiful to look at.
I just like learning about why everything is important in the world.
It's a little bit different because this is from a sick mouse and this is from a healthy mouse.
I think being a scientist is cool because you get to learn a lot of stuff, you make new things sometimes, and you can help other people make their lives easier.
You want a sticker for your lab notebook?
You have to touch it, you have to feel it, you have to be there and see it like in action to actually get interested in.
I like math and science. I just really wanted to put this on and keep it.